Hi learners, if you're planning to start ACCA in 2026, this video is going to save you a lot of confusion. So most students begin preparation without understanding the ACCA structure and later they feel stuck, overwhelmed and unsure about which paper to attempt first. So in this video, I'm going to break down the complete ACCA syllabus 2026 in the simplest way possible, step by step. So in the next few minutes, you will be clear about which papers come under each level and what each paper is actually about. So whether you are a college student, a CA, CMA aspirant, or someone switching careers into finance, this video is going to give you complete clarity. Now, ACCA comprises of total 13 papers, which are divided into 3 levels: knowledge, skills, and professional. After passing all the 13 papers, you are going to become an ACCA affiliate, right? To become the ACCA member, there are 2 more requirements. First, you will have to complete ethics and professional skills module, which is very simple. Now, the basic purpose is to expose the students to the real life business situations, real life business scenarios in order to develop advanced ethical and professional skills. So that's the main purpose. Now, along with clearing EPSM, you will also need to gain PER, practical experience requirement of 36 months. Basically 3 years. Now you can avail this experience in the domain of accounting, audit, finance, tax, or any business related role. And the best part is that this PER, this practical experience, can be gained before you start ACCA, before you give the exams, during ACCA, or after you give the ACCA exams. So basically, you need to clear 13 papers. After that, you need to complete ethics and professional skills module, and you need to gain practical experience requirement. तब जाके आप ACCA member बन जाते हो. Now let's understand ACCA syllabus in detail. What are the subjects that you will have to study, at what levels, and what are the subjects about? So the very first level is going to be your knowledge level. The focus is going to be on building your basics in business, finance, and management accounting. So यहाँ पे आपको 3 papers complete करने हैं. The first one is business and technology. The second one is management accounting, and the third one is financial accounting. Now, business and technology, this is about how businesses actually operate in the modern environment. So यहाँ पे आपके areas cover होंगे like organization structure, governance issues, leadership, ethics, and also the role of technology and accounting in the business success. Then management accounting. So management accounting is how you're going to use financial data to support management decisions. So in the organizations, whatever management decisions are being taken, for that, financial data कैसे use हो रहा है, how financial data is supporting those management decisions. So the entire focus is going to be on costing, budgeting, break-even analysis, decision making by using numbers. Then we have financial accounting. Now, financial accounting is more or less similar to what you have studied in BCom. Core accounting hai. So principles of double entry, bookkeeping, how do you record transactions, preparation of basic financial statements. All these areas will be covered here. The difference is that this is going to be a little more structured and little more in detail. So these are the 3 papers under knowledge level. That's the first level. Now let's talk about the second level, which is skills level. Now, this level builds upon your knowledge level. Whatever you have studied in the knowledge level, usko thoda ek step further ले जाया जाता है under this level. So here you cover more technical subjects which are required to become professional accountant, a global professional accountant. So the focus here is going to be on developing core professional skills, whether in accounting, tax, audit, or finance. Now, under skills level, there are total 6 papers that you have to clear. The first one is corporate and business law. Now, this covers legal framework that affects the business. यहाँ पे आप contract law, employment law, formation and constitution of business organizations के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Now, here students, please note that the 2 versions will be given to you of corporate and business law. UK का law होगा and international global law होगा. So it is your choice which law you want to study. Then we have performance management. Now here you study advanced management accounting. So knowledge level में जो आपने management accounting पढ़ा है, यहाँ पर आप उसको थोड़ा और detail में समझते हैं. So you're going to learn some management accounting techniques here that can help businesses plan, monitor, and control their performance using quantitative as well as qualitative data. Now, of course, taxation is going to focus on the entire tax system, income tax, corporation tax, VAT. Here you're going to get detailed knowledge about the tax rules, computations and exam style tax calculations, because you know that यहाँ पे Excel का use किया जाएगा. There is no pen and paper format for all the exams. So exam style tax calculations कैसे होते हैं, you will understand that also. So basically it's a very heavy subject where you require a lot of practice and revision. Then we have financial reporting, which is a very, very interesting paper. So this is an advanced level of basic financial accounting जो आपने पढ़ी है, right? So it is advanced accounting where you're going to understand financial statements, accounting standards, consolidation basics. Also through this paper, you will be able to understand how the accounting standards can be applied in order to prepare financial statements, whether it is for single entities or for business groups, and how do you actually analyze statements. So that is what financial reporting is about. Financial accounting का एक advanced version समझ लीजिए. Then the fifth subject is audit and assurance. Here you will get basic understanding related to audits, how audits are done, what are the audit procedures, audit risks क्या होते हैं, audit evidence, audit reporting क्या होती है, and audit controls. So that is what you're going to study under audit and assurance. Then we have financial management, which is nothing new to you if you're from the commerce background. So here you will understand how real business decisions are actually taken, whether it is investment decisions, cost of capital, risk return, valuation, working capital management. Now let's talk about the last level, which is professional level. And here, the entire focus is going to be on developing advanced technical skills, strategic leadership skills, senior level decision making, so that you become an expert in taking higher roles. Now, under professional level, there are 4 papers that you have to pass. 2 papers are essential. They are mandatory. They are compulsory. Paper number 1 is SBL, that is Strategic Business Leader. And paper number 2 is SBR, Strategic Business Reporting. Now, the first paper, that is SBL, Strategic Business Leader. So this kind of is an integrated paper which covers number of domains, number of areas. So आपने basically first level और second level पे जो भी कुछ समझा है उसको यहाँ पे integrate कर दिया गया है. This is going to prepare you for advisory roles. So you act as consultants and you're going to solve complex business problems. यहाँ पे demonstrate करना पड़ेगा आपको leadership, ethics and strategic thinking. Then the second paper, that is Strategic Business Reporting. This is a higher version, advanced version of financial reporting जो आपने skills level पर करा है. So उसी का एक higher level है SBR. So here some financial reporting scenarios will be given. You will have to apply your professional judgment. You will have to consider the needs of various stakeholders. उनकी क्या ethical implications हो सकती हैं. Accordingly, you will have to take some financial decisions. So here you study about IFRS standards, group accounts, group analysis. ये सब कुछ इसके अंदर cover होता है. Now, out of the 4 options, you can choose any 2. Depending upon your interest. So what are the options that are given? The first one is advanced financial management. Now, advanced financial management is, of course, the higher version. It is big brother of financial management. Senior level decision making कैसे होती है? Mergers, acquisitions, advanced investment appraisal decisions लेना, valuations, mergers, risk management. So whatever you study in FM, उसी का higher version है advanced financial management. A very good paper to select. Then you have advanced performance management. So skills level पे जो आपका performance management paper होता है उसका strategic version higher level is advanced performance management. So this is very analytical. Lot of analysis is involved in this paper. जो भी performance management में आपने techniques सीखी हैं उन्हें actually real world scenarios में कैसे apply करना है, how you have to evaluate and improve the performance of the organizations. That is what is covered under APM. Then we have advanced taxation. Skills level पे आपने जो taxation पढ़ा है उसका advanced version is ATX, that is advanced taxation. So आपका एक base clear हो गया है in your skills level. And on the basis of that foundation, on the basis of that base, you're going to understand some more complex tax issues. You're going to indulge in tax planning and advanced computations. And finally, the fourth option is that of advanced audit and assurance. So the audit and assurance you've studied in skill level, uska advanced version hai advanced audit and assurance. So this paper is going to develop the ability of analyzing and reporting in you, right? जो assurance engagements होती हैं या audit issues होते हैं उन्हें actually कैसे analyze करना है, कैसे report करना है, that is what you're going to learn through this paper. So you're going to deal with complex audit cases. You're going to use your professional judgment, and accordingly you're going to prepare audit reports, you're going to present your risk responses. So in short, the entire objective of ACCA professional level papers is to transform you into strategic finance professionals, so that you are capable of managing complex business challenges, and so that you are ready for high level decision making, preparing you for senior roles by integrating technical knowledge of ethics, governance, practical application in real world scenarios. So this was entire ACC syllabus in detail. I hope it gives you some understanding about what each paper is going to offer you, so that you can accordingly, on the basis of your interest, select the paper that you want to give first under each level. Because till the time we don't understand what that paper is actually offering you, what are the requirements of the paper, it becomes very difficult for us to select, right? तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम randomly कोई भी paper select करते हैं that we want to give. But once you have the understanding, you know that whether that's your forte, what you are more interested in, so पहले आप उस paper को clear करो. So I hope it gave you some idea. If you want to know more details, please fill the Google form that is given in the description. Let me know about your academic background. Are you a working professional, CA, CMA, or a commerce student, so that accordingly we can guide you related to the best sequence of the subjects, what paper you should give first. So in order to know this or resolve any doubt related to ACCA, fill the form and our team will get back to you and clear all your doubts. So that's all for now. I will see you in the next video.